there was a great opinion piece out of our colleague Dave Lee, who really puts out the question of what expertise does Oracle, a cloud company, have when it comes to social media algorithms? Brody.
Not a whole lot. I think they would, maybe they would tell you as much as well. I think it's very interesting how much rhetorical value the administration has placed on Oracle's involvement. They are the kind of technological underpinning of a lot of the operations, but they're the
Right.
cloud vendor, right? I mean, they are not an algorithm designing company. They're not a business operations, social media. They're not a consumer company, period, right? And so, as Oracle takes a very large role on the stage of how this TikTok deal is rolled out, my anticipation is that their role doesn't change a whole lot from what it is today, which is a cloud infrastructure vendor.
Brody, you and I have spent a lot of the last 36 hours on the phone trying to work this out. So let's swap notes. My understanding is that the Trump administration went to MGX, which is a basically state-backed investment firm in the UAE, and invited them to participate. You also have some details on these kind of anchor investors and what role they'll take. Just give us your notes, please.
Right. So these three anchor investors will likely get about a 15% share each and a board seat. The exact numbers may shift around, but the idea is that these are the kind of three anchor non-Chinese investors, kind of each coming from somewhat different backgrounds. Oracle, we've discussed, MGX being an Emirati investment company, and Silver Lake being a US tech-focused investment company. And so I think the idea is showing that, hey, there's a breadth of folks behind this initiative. Though, of course, the reporting is very live in terms of exactly what these three companies are going to be buying.